So RETAIN stands for Retaining Employment and Talent After Injury or Illness Network. This is a federally funded project in Kentucky where we are supporting individuals who are at risk or have become sick or ill or injured off the job, helping them to stay at work or to return to work more quickly. Phase one of this effort, we supported 266 individuals across Kentucky. We provided training to over 500 healthcare professionals and over 700 other stakeholders. So over the last year, we've heard a number of success stories, and it's great because we're talking about real people, real Kentuckians. For example, an employee who received support from Kentucky RETAIN staff to transition back to full-time work gradually. So they didn't have to think about how do I just go from being injured and ill and straight back to full-time. We were able to work with the employer, work with the employee, and transition gradually. Another employee received some support from our staff to help advocate for themselves about accommodations that they needed as they returned to the workplace. This $21.6 million funding over the next 4 years is going to help us support more than 3,000 individuals in Kentucky who are at risk of disconnecting from the workforce because they become ill or encounter some sort of an injury off the job. And that's going to include addressing the enduring implications of COVID-19 on both the physical health and mental health of many Kentuckians. RETAIN Kentucky efforts really align with a lot of other things that are happening across the state. And one of the things it aligns with is Kentucky's Employment First policy. So Employment First essentially means that competitive integrated employment in the community is the first and preferred option for all citizens with disabilities of working age who desire to become employed, regardless of their level of disability. I think we should be really proud as a university, and we are certainly thrilled at the Human Development Institute to provide leadership that we think contributes positively to Kentucky's workforce moving forward, and particularly to an inclusive workforce.